Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Open File Explorer to locate the Com.mojang folder on Windows. Click the address bar and type %appdata% without quotes, then press Enter. You will see a Minecraft folder listed in roaming. Double-click Minecraft, then locate Com.mojang inside that folder. Com.mojang contains worlds, resource packs, behavior packs, and player data. To back up, right-click Com.mojang and choose Copy. Paste the copy into a backup folder such as C/Minecraft Backups for safe keeping. Open Finder to access the Minecraft data on Mac OS. Press Command-Shift-G, then paste ~library/application support/Minecraft and press Go. Inside that folder, locate Com.mojang, which stores worlds and add-ons. Select Com.mojang and choose Copy, then paste to a safe desktop backup folder. If you plan to transfer between machines, compress the folder. Right-click Com.mojang and choose Compress to create Com.mojang. Zip for smaller file transfer or cloud upload. On Android, open your file manager to reach the Com.mojang folder. Navigate to /sd card/games/com.mojang or /storage/emulated/0/games/com.mojang depending on device. Copy the Com.mojang folder to a PC via USB or upload it to cloud storage for backup. For iOS, connect the device to a Mac or PC and use Finder or iTunes file sharing to access the Minecraft app documents.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.